In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rewrite content with Grok AI, Editing Guide 2026. If you need to refresh an article, polish a paragraph, or match a new tone without losing meaning, this will walk you through the essentials in a few clear moves. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is stable, especially if you'll be working with longer text. Next, log into your Grok account. This part is quick and optional, but highly recommended. Being signed in lets Grok save your conversations so you can revisit drafts, compare versions, and keep your progress synced across devices. On the homepage, you'll land in the main Grok AI workspace. You'll see a clean interface with a conversation area where responses appear, and controls that keep everything organized. Front and center on the main screen, look for the chat bar at the bottom. That's where you'll type your request. Think of it as your command line for writing tasks. Simple, direct, and flexible. Now, ask Grok to help by typing something like, "Rewrite this content." You can include the text you want reworked right after that line, or paste it in the next message. Grok will respond with a rewrite or guidance on how it plans to improve clarity, flow, and tone. To get the best result, be specific about what you want changed: shorter or longer, friendlier or more formal, simplified vocabulary, or a version aimed at a particular audience. If formatting matters, mention it too, such as keeping headings, links, or citations intact. If the first response isn't quite what you had in mind, simply ask again for more detailed information or adjustments. Follow up with clear directions like tighten this to 120 words, keep the product names exactly as written, or make it more persuasive but avoid hype. You can also ask for alternatives, perhaps a concise summary, a neutral corporate tone, or a more conversational style. And request that key terms or keywords remain unchanged. When precision is critical, remind Grok to preserve facts, dates, and attributions, and to avoid adding claims you can't verify. That's it. Go to grok.com. Sign in if you want your work saved, use the chat bar, ask it to rewrite your content, and refine until it's right. With a few targeted prompts, you'll have clean, consistent copy ready to publish.